specifically to detect different frequency of sounds. Okay, for high frequency sounds like systolic sounds, it is a diaphragm is designed. It will filter out the diastolic sounds, and you have to apply it firmly, okay, against the chest. Otherwise, if you apply it lightly, it will mix up with low frequency sounds, and it will confuse you, okay. And the other one is the bell. You have to apply it lightly. ለምሳሌ S3 ጋሎፕ አንዳንዴ you may not auscultate, okay, with unless it is a pathologic one. Harsh ካልሆነ በስተቀር it will not be detected by the diaphragm. So absence of S3 by the diaphragm cannot rule out S3 ማለት ነው. So you may miss, okay, important findings by faulty application of the stethoscope, okay, and pressing it against the chest. And here, as the picture said, shows the one with the pink color. It is a pink color ላይ ያለው it is the area of auscultation, okay. This is the aortic area, and it's located second intercostal space along the parasternal long internal line, okay. And the other is the second one, the pulmonic valve area of auscultation, you know, but valve ግን እንደምታዩት ታች ነው ያለው እዚች ጋር ነው ያለው. So it may not correlate with the exact area of the valve. Heart እንደሚታያችሁ shadow ነው። ያው አሁን ላይኑ ነው here. This is the heart, okay. ለምሳሌ የሚትራሉ ይገርማቸዋል። ሚትራል is found here, but it's the apical area ነው። apex ላይ ነው, okay, the bicuspid mitral valve auscultation area. So this is a tricuspid area እንደምታዩት ነው, and it is fourth intercostal space, left parasternal line, okay. So application of stethoscope is very much important. And auscultation, there are three things to auscultate. The first one is heart sounds, and you have to check the whole area, okay, area of auscultation by bell and by diaphragm. ሁለተኛ ጊዜ ኤግዛም ላይ ወደ ፋይንዲንግ አትሮጡ። መጀመሪያ ዊል ሲ ዘ ቴክኒክ። እንዴት ነው ቴክኒኩን የሚያዩት? ዜድ ሼፕ እንደምታዩት it is a Z shape. You have to check each area with bell and diaphragm, and እሱ ነው። and application ደግሞ እንዳትረሱ, don't forget. Very good. There is one Erb's point I will show you in the later picture. እሱ ለምንድን ነው የሚያገለግለን? Sometimes, okay, aortic pathology, since the aortic valve is here and people are individual, ወደዚህ ሊሆን ይችላል፣ okay, ትንሽ ወደ left side it may locate. So at this time the auscultation or the finding of aortic pathology may be where in the third intercostal space along the parasternal line. It is called Erb's point ይባላል። ለምሳሌ aortic regurgitation may be best detected where at the left third, that's Erb's point. And the other is subvalvular. ከቫልቭ በታች ያለ obstruction ካለ ለምሳሌ patient with hypertrophic cardiomyopathy or subaortic valvular stenosis. In this condition, the murmurs might be best heard at the Erb's point. ስለዚህ 5 areas ነው። 1 2 እዚህ ጋር 3 ዜና 4 ዜና 5, okay, 5 areas. Palpation is the same. Palpation 5 areas you have to palpate, especially for earth sound and 3D, okay. but ለኢቭ ግን እዛ parasternal እና እዚህ ጋር ቼክ የምታደርጉት apical area, okay. ኢቭ ለምሳሌ and PMI ደግሞ is only here. PMI will be checked here, otherwise it's not checked here, okay. እዚህ ጋር እና እዚህ ጋር ያው እንትኑ PMI ይረዳቸዋል, okay, for palpation point of apical impulsion በኢንስፔክሽን የምታገኙት ላይ ማለት ነው። Okay, this is the area. So first, in order to understand the characteristics and that of the S1, S2, S3 different sounds, let me revise for you the cardiac cycle. Before we discussed about in detail about cardiac cycle. Now let's see it in more detail. All right. Cardiac cycle defined as is a mechanical event of the heart, and characterized by feeling, that means relaxation of the heart, that's called diastole, and ejection, that's contraction of the heart. 4 chambers, that means the atrium, right, left, and ventricle, right, left. 4 chambers. እነዚህ ነው ካራክተራይዝ የሚያደርገው። ሲስቶል አትሪያል ሲስቶል አለ፣ ቬንትሪኩላር ሲስቶል and right atrial, left atrial እያላቸው ነው የሚመጡት። But mostly we'll concentrate on what the ventricular this mechanical event. ያው ኤሌክትሪካል ኢቨንቱን ደግሞ we'll see ECG ስናይ that's called electrical event of the heart. This one is a mechanical, it's a word, and it tries to perfuse the end organ. All right. Each beat is said to be cycle ይባላል, and one cycle it has two parts. That means feeling, and the second one is ejection, diastole and systole. Diastole is said to be relaxation or feeling, and systole is said to be እዚህ ጋር እንደምታዩት okay, this is the diastole and this relaxation of okay these chambers, and this one is the systole. It's ejection of blood to systemic and pulmonary circulation, and it's a pumping, you know, contraction. Don't forget that. And what are the different phases? So each cycle, the duration of okay, how long will it stay each cycle, each beat million, as determined by the heart rate. As the heart rate increases, heart rate ሲጨምር what will happen? The duration of each cycle will decrease. Let's see an example. እዚህ ጋር እንደምታዩት suppose the child's heart rate is 60 ነው 60 per minute. That means there is 60 cycles per minute አለ ማለት 60 beat per 60 second አለ ማለት so each cycle constitutes or consists of only stays only 1 second ማለት and diastole takes the majority of the one cycle, one cardiac cycle. Majority is consists of diastole, feeling, relaxation. ስለዚህ heart ብዙ ጊዜ ቁጭ ብሎ ነው የሚያሳልፈው ማለት okay. Contraction it will take only 1/3 of the time of the each cardiac cycle. Diastole 2/3 ነው okay, 2/3 and surprisingly when the heart rate either physiologically or pathologically increase, it is not the systolic period to be affected. It is mainly the diastolic feeling period. And ስለዚህ when there is tachycardia, physiologic or pathologic one, what will happen? The diastolic feeling period will be decreased. That means preload ይቀንሳል ማለት ነው። So stroke volume will decrease. The patient may develop low cardiac output if there is extreme tachycardia. What about the systole? Much it will not be affected. ስለዚህ if you are given ለምሳሌ ኤግዛም ላይ ጥያቄ ቢሰጣችሁ what is the duration of the systole in a patient who have heart rate of 60 per minute ስንት ነው የሚሆነው? 1/3 ነው አይደል? ስለዚህ 2/3 it is the diastole. ስለዚህ 0.33 second it is the duration of the systole, and 0.66 it is for diastole ነው ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ it's easy to calculate. You might be asked okay during the exam. Okay, this is one thing okay, and okay, now let's see each cardiac cycle. Phases of cardiac cycle. አሁን ቅድም እንዳልነው feeling and that of ejection, pumping and feeling ነው ያልነው አይደል? And but for clinical normally there are 7 phases of cardiac cycle, both systole and diastole. For clinical application only 5 of the phases are very much important, but systole it has 3 phases and diastole it has 4 phases. Let's see each of them. Okay, now this is a graphic representation of cardiac cycle, and when you assess the cardiac cycle, one you have to see any change one in pressure each chamber. This is atria and the ventricle. The third one it is the great artery, the aorta, and that of the pulmonary artery, and any pressure change and volume change እነዚህ በሙሉ ቼምበሮች ላይ and their correlation with the cardiac activity of the heart, that is the electrical event of the heart. Soon the other is the position of each valve in each phase of the cardiac cycle. All right. So for clinical application, it's only the 5 phases are important. So in ECG, atrial contraction or atrial depolarization represented by the P wave አይደለ? ስለዚህ the cardiac cycle usually for understanding purpose it starts from the atrial contraction in cardiac cycle. Okay, and as you know here atrial contraction majority of the blood to the ventricle during diastole during filling of the ventricle passively ነው የሚገባው. As you know, the right and the left atrium, they will receive blood from the venous structure. The left side, it is from the right side from inferior superior vena cava, and that of the left one, pulmonary veins. And so after opening of this AV valve, 80% of the blood, it will go to the ventricle passively because things, okay, in nature, in worldwide, substance, they will go along the concentration gradients from higher concentration to lower concentration without any pushing force. So that is a passive feeling. The rest 10 to 20% of the content of the atrium it will be go into the ventricle by active atrial contraction. So cardiac cycle it will start with atrial contraction. This 10 to 20% of blood it will go to the ventricle, okay, by atrial contraction. ECG ላይ የምታያላችሁ ዘ ፒ ዌቭ ማለት ነው። ኦኬ ሶ ዘ አትሪየም ኢዝ ሶሪ ይሄኛው ሌት ነው። አም ሶሪ ሂር ይሄኛው አሁን ሌላ አንድ ይሄኛው ኢዝ ክሎዝድ ነው። አየህ ሪላክሲንግ ፔሪድ ነው። አም ሶሪ ዲስ ዋን ኢዝ አክቲቭ ፊሊንግ ፔሪድ ኤንድ ዘ ሰከንድ ዋን ኢዝ this is passive, this is active. Active one is by atrial contraction. I'm sorry, guys. This is 80% of the blood. It will go to the ventricle passively from atrium to ventricle because the concentration of blood in the atrium is higher than the ventricle. So blood, it will go here. That's early or rapid ventricular filling phase. ይሄኛው ሌላ ግራፍ ስለሆነ ነው። I'll show you. But always you should be started with the P wave. P wave is atrial contraction. But for this discussion, forget that one. And this is a early ventricular filling phase, or it is a rapid ventricular because blood it will go to the ventricle very much rapidly. Ratio of blood, okay, to the right and left ventricle. So it is a rapid ventricular filling phase. Then after 80 to 90% of blood come to the ventricle. The rest of the blood, it will be evacuated from both atrium by atrial contraction. This one is active now. That means it needs energy, atrial contraction. And at resting state, without exercise, these 10 to 20% of blood from atrial contraction, በሚገርማችሁ ሁኔታ it's not needed. And this phase, it might not be occur, okay? And it's reserve now. As our body, it has so much reserve now. And this additional blood, it's needed only during exercise and during pathologic condition. Otherwise, at resting stage or day-to-day activity, this atria, just the rest 10 to 20% of venous return, it will not be, or it will not go into the ventricle. But as a general rule, let's discuss, okay, about this atrial contraction represented by the P wave, okay? And in this condition, aortic valve already closed now, but it's only the AV valve is open, okay? And blood, it will go rush. ይሄኛው rush አድርጎ ነበር፣ ይሄኛው ደግሞ በአትሪያል contraction. Now, the all content of the blood now, it goes to the ventricle. But still, the AV valve is not yet closed. What will happen here? The ventricle start to undergo contraction. This is called systole. The beginning of the systole. That's called isovolumic contraction. So as the ventricle start to contract during isovolumic contraction period, it will close what? The AV valves. ስለዚህ ምን ትሰማላችሁ እዚህ ጊዜ? The S1 sound. S1, the genesis of S1 is related with closure of the AV valve. And it begins or coincide with isovolumic contraction period. In this condition, in isovolumic contraction period, it is the third phase now in this graph. The aortic valve is closed and the AV valve also closed. And this closure is because of the pressure in the ventricle higher than the atrium. So this is called isovolumic contraction period. Why is called isovolumic? Because there is no volume change. It is only a sort of creation of pressure to allow ejection of content to the great arteries. In this condition, the pressure in the great arteries, that means left side it is aorta, right side it is the pulmonary artery, is greater now as compared with the ventricle. Now, after the ventricle undergo a so-called isovolumic contraction, pressure will be built up, okay, and that's enough to open the seminal valve, that's aortic and pulmonary valve. So after that, the ejection phase of the ventricle will start. Ejection phase of the ventricle. That's condition already as you see the seminal valve opened, okay, and the ventricle continue contraction, and contracting and ejecting blood, okay, and the pressure in the ventricle higher than the great arteries in this condition. What things will happen in the aorta and that of the pulmonary artery during ejection? ባለፈው እንዳልነው whenever there is stroke volume is okay ejected towards the great arteries, the aortic wall ምን ያደርጋል? It will distend to accommodate that additional volume, but the pressure is still lower than the ventricle, okay, as the early phase. And ይሄ fast ejection phase ይባላል። እዚችኛዋ ፒክቸር ላይ የሌለችው there is a so-called slow ejection phase አለ። ይህን slow ejection phase ምን መሰላችሁ ያለው the ventricle is still is contracting, but the rate of flow of blood to the great arteries it will be slow. Then this is another phase, but generally ejection phase ይባላል። ejection phase of the ventricular system. Okay, then after the ventricle ejected, okay, is contained. What will happen? The ventricle start to relax. That's called isovolumic relaxation. Now, the seminal valve, after the slow ejection phase, what will happen? The pressure in the great arteries, it will be larger than that of the ventricular pressure. ይሄ በምንድነው አኮምፓኒ ሆነው ቀደም ዲስቴንድ ያደረጉት the great arteries, okay, they dilate. They distend in order to accommodate the volume. They start to recoil. Then when they start to recoil, pressure will be built up. So it is responsible for closure of the seminal valve, that is our pulmonary valve in the left side, and that of aortic valve, the aortic valve left and pulmonary valve in the right side. So after complete ejection of blood from both ventricle, and ስታስቡት ምንድነው the seminal valve must be closed አይደለ? But it will not happen, okay, in this condition. ምንድነው happen የሚያደርገው ነው the recoiling of the great arteries is needed to close these valves. So the time between the complete ejection of the ventricle blood for right ventricle right side and left side, አሁን ሌፍቱን ብቻ ነው ለምሳሌ it is the time between ejection completed and that of closure of the aortic valve. There is some time አለ ማለት ነው, some seconds, fraction of seconds. And in the right side also there is fraction of second because of the closure of the pulmonic valve and ejection completed in the right ventricle. ይሄ period ምን ይባላል? hangout period ይባላል። hangout period is a period it measures the time between closure of the seminal valve and completion of emptying of the ventricular content, ejection phase ማለት ያለ period ነው። And aorta እንደምታዩት it is high pressure and more muscular as compared with the pulmonary artery, okay, and the recoiling also it is fast in the aorta as compared with the pulmonary artery. So the closure of the aortic valve is earlier as compared with the pulmonic valve, okay. So it is physiologic splitting. The physiologic splitting most commonly associated with increased hangout time for the right ventricle and that of the pulmonary artery, since it is a low pressure compartment and less muscular, no? So recoiling of the walls of the pulmonary artery It is slow now as compared with a brisk recoiling of the aorta. So S1, it will be heard early as compared with the pulmonic valve, and as the reason for this separate closure, we'll discuss it when we discuss splitting. Now, aortic valve is closed in the mouth, and the AV valve also closed. And the atrium on both sides, they are receiving blood, right side from inferior superior cava, and that of the left one from pulmonary veins. And contract ventricle should undergo relaxation, okay? And that's called isovolumic relaxation. Isovolumic relaxation is a period characterized by closure of all four valves and relaxation of the ventricle. It's very much important to decrease the ventricular pressure, and it is critical for opening of what? This AV valve and ventricular filling valve. So after the relaxation continues, okay, in the ventricle and atrium also filling from the bottom continue as filling blood. Now, after some time, pressure is higher in the atrial system as compared with the ventricle. The ventricle because of relaxation. Now there is opening of the AV valve. Then there is high pressure, high blood in the atrial system as compared with ventricle. So blood ምን but by flow. That's called rapid ventricular filling phase. Alright? እዚች ጋር ያመጣው ነገር ventricular contraction after it's completed emptying, after the hangout time, the pressure in the greater arteries will be higher than what are the ventricle. So የምትሰማላችሁ the so-called S2. S2 ይሰማ secondary sound. Secondary sound just ይሄኛው ejection አልቆ just relaxation ሲጀምር what will happen? The seminal valve it will be closed. So closure of the seminal valve it will create what? The so-called secondary sound. Secondary sound. And now the pressure in the ventricle is lower than that of atrium. So opening of the AV valve metal, opening of the AV valve or seminal valve, it will not give you any sound. It's only closure of channel. So there is rapid ventricular filling phase. This rapid ventricular or blood flow to the ventricle in early diastole, what will happen? That migava blood, it will vibrate, okay, the ventricular wall, right side here, left side here. So it will create what? It will create the so-called third earth sound. Third earth sound is created by rapid ventricular, okay, filling of rapid blood flow to the ventricle in early diastole. All right. And after 80% of the blood ከመጣ በኋላ the rest 10 to 20% ወዴት ይመጣል? by atrial contraction. This atrial contraction ምንድን ነው የሚያደርገው? It will push blood in already okay occupied space. ምን ይፈልጋል ይሄ additional blood ለመግባት? The ventricle should have what? Distensibility. compliance ጥሩ መሆን አለበት። ስለዚህ when atria kicks ያደርግ or contract, the blood which are coming in late diastole, it also vibrates the ventricle. So it will cause a so-called S4, fourth earth sound. So the S2 and S3 and S4, they will be heard only during diastole. Hinders. It's only S1, which can be heard during systole. And the genesis of S3 is vibration of the ventricle and is created by rapid, blood flow to the ventricle during early diastolic period. In pediatrics, sometimes S3 ሊሰማ ይችላል normally in young babies. But S4 always pathological because it will tell you the compliance of the ventricle. If they are not compliant, the ventricle should undergo high contraction in order to create large pressure, okay, in order to distend this resistant or as a rigid ventricle. In a patient with what? Restrictive cardiomyopathy, okay, patient with hypertrophic cardiomyopathy. In this condition, S4 will always be heard, okay. And systemic hypertension for the left ventricle and for right ventricle pulmonary hypertension. In this condition, S4 ይሰማል። S4 ሰምታችሁ ማታውቁት አሁን የምነግራችሁ because of error, faulty application of the stethoscope. All right. And S3 ሊሰማ ይችላል but mostly አይሰማም and what are the conditions የሚነግራችሁ ማለት አንደኛ it's rapid feeding ነው so if the volume of blood flow to the ventricle increased like patient with anemia thyrotoxicosis or mitral regurgitation tricuspid regurgitation the amount of blood accumulated in the atrium it will be more than that of normal individual ስለዚህ በshort period of time ያንን ወደ left ventricle ወደ ventricle eject ሲያደርጉ what will happen there is a vibration more vibration ስለዚህ S3 will be harsh and loud so S3 ለብቻው እናየዋለን but now it is the general concept okay general concept so this is about systole and diastole it's related with the pressure change and volume change and እስኪ ከእንትን አኳያ ምን አፕን ያደርጋል it is the same ነው ይሄኛውም ሳይክል and additional የሚነግራችሁ ነገር it is valves ለምሳሌ here ventricular continue contracting and AV valve close ሆኗል seminal valve ስለዚህ it will give you additional information I will give you the slides okay ይሄኛው በጣም ኢንፎርማቲቭ ነው this one also so let's see it with the ECG change okay አሁን 5 phase አለ ብለናል and የመጀመሪያው atrial contraction start with P wave as you see here atrial depolarization and after complete emptying of the atrial content by atrial contraction and represented by P wave what will happen there is a so-called isovolumic contraction and the all QRX complex የሚነግራችሁ isovolume including isovolumic contraction plus ejection phase of the ventricle እነዚህ two phases they are characterized by what this QRX complex then after that there will be what relaxation a ventricle relax ያደርግ it is a ventricular repolarization okay repolarization and by isovolumic relaxation period ላይ all valves are closed እንደምታዩት and the ventricle undergo relaxation it is the beginning of diastole okay T wave it will tell you the beginning of diastole and this is straight line there is no any contraction በሌለበት ጊዜ የቱ ጋር ነው contraction የማይኖረው in rapid ventricular filling phase there is no any chamber is contracting so in this condition you will see this flat line this isoelectric line all right this isoelectric line it is also the same the BS John any question before we proceed to genesis of sound and okay if you don't have any question let's continue 10 ደቂቃ አለን so I think ትንሽ we have 10 minutes okay so this is ቅድም ያሳያችሁ 5 areas of auscultation okay and 5 areas of auscultation and right second intercostal space is aortic area and left is the pulmonic area and this is the Erbus point okay and this is fourth intercostal space tricuspid area and apex and palpation ቅድም እንዳልነው these all areas should be shown okay demonstrate ማድረግ አለባችሁ exam ላይ common mistake ነው and for palpation plus auscultation exception is for palpation even now PMI እዚህ ጋር otherwise the others should be checked okay in all areas ቅድም ያሳያችሁ እጅ ነገር አለች በዛ ብታደርጉት is preferable you will not miss anything okay so S1 is created by ቅድም እንዳልነው AV valve closure no and S2 closure of the seminal valve okay and this Erbus point it is a point at which in some individuals aortic pathology subaortic stenosis ሊሆን ይችላል AR now it might be detected here otherwise common area especially in pediatrics this is 4 areas okay and application of stethoscope እንዳይረስ okay so sound loudness or sound is best heard at the origin of the sound አይደለ ለምሳሌ ጥሩምባ የሆነ ነገር ወይኔ ሳወራ አፍ ያካይ ስትሆንና ራቆናችሁ ስትሆን ይለያያል ስለዚህ the source of it's a based heard as the site of the source of the sound. ስለዚህ aortic S2 aortic component or S2 based heard where at the right second intercostal space and plus at the left intercostal space for pulmonic one and tricuspid left lower sternal border and apex for here apical area. ስለዚህ አንድ ቼክ ማድረግ ያለባችሁ ስለዚህ this is aortic area S2 loud here in the right second intercostal space S2 is louder than S1 አስታውሱ here still S2 is louder than S1 and here in the tricuspid area S1 is louder than S2 apical area the same okay so መስጠት ያለባችሁ sound is loudest at the area of the source of the sound okay the other thing since in the aortic area S2 is louder than S1 in pathologic condition if S1 is louder than S2 as the aortic area or as the pulmonic area S1 is accentuated intensity is increased or loud S1 እዚህ ቦታ ላይ አይሰራም because already in left lower sternal border in the apex S1 is louder than S2 ስለዚህ we did you get ብትባሉ ኤግዛም ላይ it is here right and left it is S1 is louder than S2 ስለሆነ ምን ላለን in this area S1 is loud ነው በሌላ ደግሞ አነጋገር if in the S1 area if S2 is louder than S1 in these two areas the S2 is accentuated when loud now that's the reference okay after you identify S2 is loud is it the A2 component or the P2 component loud ያደረገው የሚለውን ስታየው in the respective area ተመጡና here if it is S2 aortic component louder than እዚህ ጋር ካለው ከሆነ it is a aortic component is loud and the same is true for pulmonic component all right ስለዚህ ይሄ ነው loudness አንዳንዴ during reporting you may be asked okay what's your evidence to say it's S2 the other thing the closure of these valves if they are closing by high pressure ለምሳሌ aortic mitral valve it's closed by what increasing pressure in the left ventricle and as you know left ventricle is so powerful so its closure is louder as compared with the tricuspid valve closure by right ventricle ስለዚህ S1 እዚህ ጋር ሆነ እዚህ ጋር የሚሰማው it's only the closure of the mitral valve የትራይካስፒድ valve የራሱ ቦታ ብቻ ነው እዚህ ጋር የሚሰማው it will not be transmitted S1 and S2 ሁሉም ቦታ ይሰማልና and S1 የምትሰሙት በሙሉ it is the closure of the mitral valve the same is true for aortic valve secondary sound okay the aortic component ነው የሚሰማው እዚህ ጋር and in pulmonic area ብቻ ነው pulmonic valve closure of the S2 will be heard all right will be heard here okay this is about the areas the locations and ማማንት እንደምትሉ this is a normal closure of the mitral valve ይሄኛው by the way mitral valve discuss እናደርግ it applies for also tricuspid the characteristics ተመሳሳይ ነው okay it is the same very good so this is the normal individual and closure based on the cardiac cycle all right so here it is the isobaric relaxation period ነው እንበል መጀመሪያ and ሁሉም ቫልቮች ክሎዝ ናቸው then pressure in the atrium is higher than the ventricle ሌላው ፌስ ላይ መጣ aortic valve sorry mitral valve deflates ይሄ anterior ይባላል ይሄ posterior deflate since the pressure in the volume is higher in the atrium as compared with the ventricle ምን ያደርገዋል ሊፍሌቶቹን they will open it wide apart okay it drift ያደርጋቸዋል wide apart since the volume ስለገባ so as the volume okay is continue to fill into the ventricle the volume and the pressure in the ventricle increases as you see in this picture ምን ያደርጋቸዋል the leaflets they will be in semi closed position ቅድሚያ ከነበራቸው wide apart now they will be in semi closed position okay so as the atria contracts here እዚህ ጋር ኒር አፕሮች የሆነ ነው። ይሄ እንደምታየው ፒክቸሩ ቮሊዩም እና ፕሬሸሩ እየገፋቸው ነው። ኦኬ and now here atrial contract ሲያደርግ they will be in semi closed position. After atrial contraction they will be closed. እዚህ ጋር ፒክቸር ላይ እንደምታዩት ኦኬ ኢኮላይም እና ኤምሞል this is their way of closure. That means መጀመሪያ early diastole ላይ during rapid ventricular filling phase the leaflet will be drifted apart wide open. ይሄ በጣም ይረዳችኋል ለኢንቴንሲቲ አንደርስታንድ ለማድረግ በደንብ አስታውሱ። So what are the determinants of closure of this AV valve or generally mitral valve example እያየ ነው። One, force of contraction of the ventricle. If the ejection fraction or force of contraction low ከሆነ their closure will be decreased. ይሄኛውን በኋላ ሌላ ጊዜ እናየዋለን። አሁን ኦልሬዲ የቀረን 2 ደቂቃ ነው። እስኪ ጥያቄ ጠይቁና next lecture ላይ we'll continue. Any question? Everything understandable? Otherwise, we 1 minute and some second later. Any question? እንደዛ ከሆነ ኦኬ ለዛሬው እንደዚህ በቃና and we'll continue ኦኬ በሌላ ጊዜ